One of the things that people use Excel for is to get the number of work days between two dates. Now there are a number of ways to do this, but today I'm going to show you an easy way, a function called net working days, in order to accomplish that task. Here I have a table listing various employees and their work schedule throughout a 6-month period, as well as their rates. I simply would like to calculate the number of work days between these two dates in time. I'm going to use a function called net working days to do that. Here I type in equal net work days, click on the start date, comma, end date, enter. This first employee has worked 143 days throughout this period of time. I carry this formula over, and now I have individual calculations for each person, the number of work days that they've worked throughout this period of time. One thing to keep in mind is net work days focuses on a 5-day period, Monday through Friday. That's how the function works. And here I have a total for the payroll for this period of time for these several employees. So this is a useful function, helpful function, quick function to calculate the number of work days between a period of time.